Hey everybody, we have a Chevy Suburban / Tahoe kind of remote fob here. Today we need to replace the battery. Press the button on the side here, get the key out. Then we're just going to prop it up in this corner here. So here's the back side. Use the key here to pry this open. Takes a second. There we go. And underneath this cover, see the battery here. Hopefully you can see that. It is a little tight and snug in there. So I'm just going to use this knife to pry it open. Not pry it open, but pry it out. And I was right, it is a 2032 battery. CR 2032, whatever. So we'll put that back in, plus side down. Like so. Should be able to see that. We'll just go ahead and snap it back on to the key fob. Boom. That's how I replace the battery.